What's up, guys? How you guys are doing? You know what? This is your boy Tyree. If you're not already, what are you waiting for? You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. So every time I push out a new video, you're gonna be notified, guys. So I'm on my first drive, right behind me. Numpang Kitchen. I'm right behind me. So I'm a little early for the drive. I don't know if it's ready yet, but the pickup's supposed to be for 11:50, so I'm about 20 minutes early. Check how much I'm getting right now on this first drive. Not bad, man. So let's get right into this video. So let's see what's up. If they have it ready, that'd be good. If not, let's do this. It's Numpang Kitchen. Oh my God, let's go. Numpang Kitchen. All right. Hello. Good morning. Hey, how you doing? I'm here for to pick up for Peter. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, so everybody's doing their thing, man. Oh, man. Peter Luarius?
Yeah, give me 1 second.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Peter in the house. It's for the catering, right?
Yeah.
Oh, great. I just want to make sure. All right. So yeah, confused me, mixed up me with other orders. So everything is being prepared. Look at this design. I'm gonna flip the camera real quick, show you guys the design real quick. Look at the work of art right here. Look at this, man. Beautiful art, man. When you travel, man, you see everything in New York City, man. Everything in New York City. The graphic design. This is amazing graphic design. Showing you how the lights on, the city never sleeps. Yeah, so just waiting right now. Now they have the self-service. You see how serious it is, guys? Self-service right here. You can order your food, order your drinks and stuff like that, which is good. So self-service. Alright. You can check this out. It's called Numpang. Yep. If you guys want to visit, you can hit up Numpang as well. Not bad. So, guys, some of you probably a little bit. So I'll see you guys shortly until my order is ready. So guys, stay tuned and peace out. What's up, guys? I got a bag here, heavy bag, and I got a surprise again. And this right here too. So I got a bag over here. So I got 2 bags to pick up. So it's gonna be a heavy load for the first run. So guys, stay tuned and peace out. See you guys in a drop. I'm pulling 2 bags. Unfortunately, I couldn't record, so I still got some ways to go, man. As well as crazy, man. So I just wanted to show you guys what's up. Let's get this money. See you guys. Peace. What's up, guys, man? That order, I had to go through some hurdles with that order, man. So I'm on a regular order with Doordash. You can check how much I'm getting. Yep, $6. So I'm gonna flip the camera real quick and you guys can see how I'm ordering the food without even don't have to go through a cashier. I'm gonna show you guys right in the order with Doordash. So gotta add this in the bag, add 2. So you see how everything is, how things are very convenient. So I have my order, lemonade, boom, check out. And that's about it. Use my red card. Use a red card real quick. Is it good to go? Good feed, right? And I like how to do it because it's very easy and convenient. So you guys see how everything is, because sometimes the line gets very crowded, so you don't have to go through the crowd. You can just go through that and you're good. So just wanted to show you guys real quick. So this is the total and you pay with your red card. What's up guys? Just dropped the Wendy's order off, but I got a second drive, but it's not a solid drive. It's those drives in case of another drive pops up. So I got a 30-minute window and it's gonna be about 30 minutes. So I just gotta sit around within that area for like 30 minutes and it's an easy $11. So can't complain. So right now, until I get more drives coming up, but I'm about to hop on this train. Gotta head downtown, make things happen. So guys, stay tuned and peace out. See you guys later. Peace. Peace out.
2 hours later.
What's going on? What's going on, guys? This is your boy Tyree. I have my number 4 drive. My third drive was just $11, just surrounding the area, and just swipe, boom, easy $13.50, less than 30 minutes, which is good. So I'm at my 4th drive right behind me, right here. I'm about to hit up in here. I'm in the midst of Times Square right now, so you can check how much I'm getting on this order. Yep, not bad, not bad. So let me check the client. Ellie Rose. Let's see if Ellie Rose is available and their food is. Oh my gosh, I gotta go to the 3rd floor. The restaurant's on the 3rd floor, right?
Yes.
The book.
Are you picking up?
Yeah, pick it up. Oh, from right here? Oh, okay. Oh, perfect. It's a catering for Ellie Rose.
Okay, so it's these 2 bags and one in the fridge.
Oh, okay, great. I got a big bag here.
Yo, Tati.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Let's go, brother, man. Everything Gucci?
Good, brother. Thank you.
Yo, how you been, baby?
So I got this two bags and another bag, knocking things out. Gotta make it happen, guys.
What's good, baby boy?
Oh, perfect. So I got 3 bags, guys. 3 bags. So I'm gonna flip the camera around and show you. See, guys, these are 3 bags. We gotta get 3 bags, line 3 bags up. Order is ready on time. Greatly appreciated. So I'm just showing you guys. So I'm gonna see you guys in the drop off. Okay, I was just showing you guys what you guys gotta do, especially when you start doing drive orders / catering orders. Gotta have this. They're gonna give you a catering bag like that, like this one I have, and you're all set. So I'll see you guys in the drop off. What's up, guys? Just finished dropping that drive order off. This is a special drive right here, man. I'm just like I always say this, man. It's always good to have patience. And this, it comes in hand for this particular order. The lady was even there, okay? It was 10 minutes. The lady said, hey, you could just leave it to the doorman, or if he waits, I give him a tip. Once I I waited 10 minutes. This lady was on point. She arrived 10 minutes on the nose. 10 minutes on the nose. And that 10 minutes, guys, was worth the $20. Was worth the $20. You understand? So this is not just to impress you, but press upon you that it's possible. Okay? You just never know. That's why I love working in New York. They give a lot of good tips. I don't stereotype any other places, but just as my preference, I love to work in New York because everything is close by. You know, so that's why I'm always courteous, professional to the customer. Brought their food up to the, there's an elevator. They helped them out with their food. You just never know, man. So just like I said, man, you got in life, you gotta have patience. Most people don't wanna but once I heard, hey, the tip part, and the doorman was saying, hey, she could leave up to $20 tip. And the doorman was right, man. Shout out to Dominic, man. It was at this building right behind me. Right over here. Right behind me over there. That green. Right over there. And he was right, man. He predicted that I'll get the $20, man. So I'm just truly blessed. This is my last drive for this evening, man. Oh man, it's just, this week was a good week this week, man. So every week is a hustle week for me. So and also I want to shout out to all my new subscribers. All my new subscribers and my loyal subscribers, I'm going to shout out to you guys, man. Because I'm going to start giving out shout outs to you know, continuous new subscribers. I'm on the road. I'm on the road to 1 million subscribers. It could take a year, take 2 years, but that's the goal. 1 million, so I can empower people around the world, because I do other things outside of Doordash, but to empower people around the world. That's my mission, to empower people and to, you know, help others, you know, to uplift others. You're like, sometimes in life, man, you want to give up, but I just keep going. If I just stay in one place, nothing's not gonna happen. You gotta go out there, guys, and make it happen. So I just wanted to shed some light to you guys. So don't forget to hit the like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel, okay? All right, so God bless, stay tuned, and peace out.
Yeah.